SillyTavern is often described as a powerful, customizable front-end for interacting with AI models. But the real question is it actually useful for most people or only for a niche group of power users? SillyTavern is an open-source interface designed to connect with large language models, LLMs, like OpenAI API, Cobalt AI, or Text Generation Web UI. Instead of being an AI itself, it acts as a control panel that lets you customize how AI behaves, manage prompts and characters, run models locally or via APIs. What it does well: extreme customization. SillyTavern is built for control. You can tweak system prompts, character personalities, memory and context settings. This makes it ideal for advanced users who want precise outputs. Supports multiple AI backends. You're not locked into one model. It works with cloud APIs like OpenAI, local models via Cobalt AI or Ubabuga. That flexibility is a huge advantage over standard chat apps. Where it falls short: not beginner-friendly. This is the biggest barrier. Setup can involve installing dependencies, configuring APIs, managing local models. If you're used to plug-and-play apps, this can feel overwhelming. Requires technical knowledge. To get the most out of it, you'll need to understand prompt engineering, model limitations, context or token management. Without that, you're barely scratching the surface. No built-in AI. Unlike apps like ChatGPT, SillyTavern doesn't work on its own. You must connect it to external models, some of which cost money or require strong hardware. So, is SillyTavern worth it? Short answer: yes for power users, no for beginners. You can unlock far more control than typical AI apps, but you'll need time, effort, and some technical skill. Bottom line: SillyTavern isn't overhyped. It just targets a very specific audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.